I know you feel the same way that I do, in that this week, not just for crypto, but for pretty much everything else, is the beginning of probably the most important week for our future in our life. It's the most important time of our life. And while each new day is the most important time of our life, this week is exceptionally important. Now, you may believe what you want to believe, but we have the presidential election. If there is cheating on this election, we can truly kiss our ass goodbye. But I don't want to go into a whole political rhetor. We're here to talk about price action and the trading for this week. And we're going to go through the chart from front to back to front. We'll take a couple look at a couple things, but mostly we're going to talk about Bitcoin because that is the king, especially in crypto. Okay. First off, for the past 2 weeks, I've been saying that we really want to take it easy. I've been taking it easy on trading because the volume, while on higher time frames, has been thick. When you zoom in, it's really just been like boom, one big candle of a volume candle on a low time frame, then it's dead for the rest of the day. Then boom, the Chinese Open, and then dead for the rest of the day. Boom, American Open, then dead for the rest of the day. So the volume's been light. A lot of money on the sidelines. A lot of people waiting to make a move. The ETF inflows do come in whenever Bitcoin is at or close to an all-time high. Y'all remember when I bought $1 million worth of Bitcoin at 69,000? The last time I actually bought Bitcoin was OTC. I bought $1 million worth at 69,000, and folks, oh my, we're right back there. Anyways, let's dive into the charts. It's Sunday going into the Monday. I'm still saying that it's danger, stranger in danger, strangers with candy, volume. They come in, boom, and leave on open after the election. No matter who wins, whether it's Kamala or whether it's Trump, after the election, there's going to be major volume coming in or down. We're going to find out. If I was a betting man, which I am, I would say a Trump win, markets pump. A Kamala win, markets dump in the short term. Can't tell you what's going to go beyond that. Can't tell you what's going to happen in 2025. I got no idea. The whole world is so screwed up. The world is in shambles, and it's can get a lot worse. That's for damn sure. First off, looking at the 2 hour. Ooh, what do we have right here? A potential super duper pooper of a momentum trigger wave to the downside. Let's zoom in. This is the 2 hour, and we're going to back out. It's just the time frame that was on here. VWAP coming down, RSIs are green, a little tight, currently curving down. I did trade some of this range price action. I don't remember, but I did okay. I actually did really well. Just they weren't super duper big trades. Anyways, who cares? Tight trigger wave to the downside. We'll see if it plays out. Let's take a look at some other time frames. In fact, we're gonna start with the 2 weekly. All right. RSI super strong. Money flow is coming up. We'll see about this momentum. The gates are still open on momentum. Taking a look at the spider lines. I mean, look at that. Let's go to the weekly. Gonna get a better review. VWAP potentially coming down. Momentum potentially tightening up. Potentially. What are these candles looking like on the standard candles? Earlier in the trend, in the zone, we were having engulfing candles popping, doubling up. Engulfing candles doubling up. And look, we kind of actually got that here. We had an engulfing candle, although it didn't actually engulf the previous candle. So really it didn't. It's not really an engulfing candle, but it's kind of similar to this one. Boom. There was a break in between, popped up, right? This one, boom. This one, boom. There was a break in between, slammed down on this candle. This candle slammed down and right? So we might be seeing kind of the reverse of the same thing, just in the different direction, right? So this one kind of engulfed, boom, in the middle, boom, pop. So we got to be super careful right now. And the election stuff starts on Tuesday. When it's going to be counted and announced, man, we got no idea. They're trying to say 2 weeks. They're trying to elect. When Obama won the first time, they had it figured out that first night. Okay, so shenanigans, super shenanigans. I'm expecting major moves, It might be worth, I don't know, flip a coin. Set a stop loss. This shit's gonna get mad crazy. There's gonna be FOMO. Let's look at the 3-day here. The 3-day momentum kind of clipping, yeah. Money flow's coming, RSI is green and strong, yeah, okay. The 2-day momentum has definitely switched to the upside. We see momentum up to the upside. RSI is still tight. Switch from green to red. VWAP, the VWAP oscillation still kind of pointing down here on the 2-day, going to the daily. No divergence down No divergence down, I will say that. Nothing really new to see here. Nothing really new to see here. It's just kind of floating. It's floating. Now on the 12-hour, we do have VWAP curvature potentially coming up here. It is coming up here. Money flow hanging sideways. We'll see. Let's zoom in on the 6-hour. The 6-hour money flow has dipped down. It is currently in the red on the 6-hour. Had a previous momentum clip. Not the greatest curvature. I'm telling you guys, I mean, we want confident trades and confident moves that we want to put our money behind. What I'm seeing right now is not really confidence. It's floating there, and it's manipulation. There is no greater time. There's probably not going to be another time for the ease of manipulation than the past two, maybe in the week ahead. This 2-3 week block has been manipulation whale play for sure. The 4-hour, messy, choppy, low volume, spiky volume, and really the plays have been on the low time frames. Like even yesterday, the day before when I was playing that range, it was all about the low time frames. I mean, the 5-minute could have made something happen, but really things look interesting starting at the 2-hour. Yeah, what's this gonna be? Is this gonna just crumple over, right? So this is what we should focus on. Also, my gosh, before I forget, there's a couple major announcements, and I want to get through them. First things first, the Antarctic Exchange. Guys, if you haven't heard me talk about this, the test net launched on November 1st. Token holders are going to get paid off of the liquidity pool, the fees, the market making. Never been done before. Never been done before. 92% of the token supply is up for grabs. Only 8% is going to be kept for the founders and shit. It's like 60% of the profits or something like that. Take that with a grain of salt. It's a big number. 40% of the profits, something like that, are for the token holders or staking. There's all kinds of shit. We've been waiting for a year. I think Antarctic Exchange is going to be the next big thing. The testnet is live. I'm going to put a link to the testnet in the description. This is where I'll be trading come December, hopefully, if they hit their timelines. Come December, this is where it's at. And you get tokens. You get points and tokens for participating in the testnet. We have a channel for it in the Discord. Check it out. The ZOOMEX. This goes through the end of the year. The end of the year. Every single week. 2 random people that are lively trading on ZOOMEX, obviously, that are under my umbrella. 2 people are going to get $400 every single week. This first week's winners are, I put it in the Discord, 293908304. The second winner is 121774668. Both of you got $400 deposited in your account. That's going till the end of Christmas, till the end of the year. Okay, taking a look again. The 2-hour momentum potentially coming over. What's going to happen on Monday? Shit's probably hitting the fan. Shit's hitting the fan. We have a flat. We are in the red on the hourly. It's not really curving up. There's been a couple jagged fights up here with the RSI. You know, what the hell is this, Pat? This looks like shit. And we're right at that spider line here. I mean, you know, switch between log and log. I don't know. It's just ugly looking. It's ugly. It's ugly looking at the 30-minute. Although in this little trend, man, I mean, boom, look at this spider line. We came ready just pow, pissing up, pow, pow, pow. For sure. A Trump win, it's going to pump. A Trump loss, it's going to dump in the short term. Woo! I can't wait to see what kind of move is going to happen, man. I can't wait to see. It's going to be nuts. It's going to be nuts. The previous election 4 years ago was my second best trade of all time. It was in the millions in profit. It was that shit was crazy. Okay, so on these lower time frames, we do have some money flow building up, RSI's up, choppy, super dangerous. I don't know if you want to play the ranges. You know, you can. It has been super duper rangy, scary, stranger danger. It's up to you. Besides a couple moves that I've hit, I really haven't been trading. I really haven't. So I've been playing Grand Theft Auto 5 RP roleplay. I think I'm going to try to sign up for like a Grand Theft Auto 5 big time roleplay server with all the streamers and shit. But I don't know, probably not. But man, I've been getting scammed in Grand Theft Auto. These scammers and liars in Grand Theft Auto are so good. They are these kids. First off, if you're playing Grand Theft Auto, if you ever played GTA, don't trust any kids. And even if they sound young, they will always lie, steal from you, rob you. I just got robbed for all my money. I was sold a lemon car. I got scammed for like the 3rd time. So that's what I've been doing in my time off. But I'm ready to get back into the mix, start streaming, make more videos, do all this shit. This might be the great time, the best time. In fact, I know it is, to do like 100K to 1 mil challenge. Because in fact, the first time we did the 100,000 to 1 mil challenge was this time of year. Last year or the year before that. It took 61 days to flip 100 grand into $1 million. Every trade was on video. It was all fucking documented. I've actually done it twice, so I think we might shoot for a third time or close. I don't know. We'll see, but it's going to be big time trading. And I'll do some breakout prop firm shit as well. BloFin, if you want easy non-KYC, you can go to BloFin. ZOOMEX, I think you still have to fill out a form. But Antarctic Exchange self-custody is going to be the best shit. Come December, it's going to be cold, and we're going to be making igloos with Antarctic Exchange. Sign up for the testnet now. I hope we're going to be okay. You know, there's no such thing as, there's really shouldn't be anything as such as one-issue voter. The world is on the line. Whether you agree with me or not, that's okay. That's my opinion. We're all entitled to it. We all have booties that stink, and some that, you know, whatever. Some smell worse than others, though. Some smell worse than others. One thing holds true, and that is Market Cypher has been here, and it's going to continue to be here. Whether the markets take a dump or pump, we will be able to trade it and profit off of it. We have to protect ourselves. The environment, we're about to see the environment shift. This 2-3 week window environment has been, to me, I can only speak for myself, stay out, be hella careful, only go in when you're kind of confident on a little move, take what the market gives you, and then get the hell out. Get out. Small wins, small losses, big wins, get lucky. But even then, you shouldn't be doing shite. You shouldn't do a darn thing. Also, MarketCypherMerch.com. Trying to get them do a shirt pack for 4 shirts with a lower price. This includes shipping. You don't need to order the shirts, but the mugs are terrific. I want to have them start selling a dual pack of mugs, but the lady's busy. The best mug you can get is at MarketCypherMerch.com. It's 23 ounces. It's a big mug. Great handle. Handles all the coffee that you need. Other than that, commodities. Okay. Typically, when a Democrat wins, commodities overall go up. Oil, the price of sugar has gone up 300% since Joe Biden won. If Trump wins, the prices go down. Oil went to minus $40 a barrel when Trump was president. Y'all remember that? Okay, when Trump was president, oil went to minus $40 a barrel for a day. Democrats win, commodities, the price of everything goes up. Trump wins, the prices go down. Okay, so that's a major type of move that we're going to be able to probably make depending on the election, like a long-term, set it and forget it, multi-year, 1 year, 6 month, 2 year type of deal. Gold obviously been shredding. I mean, 27. It's gold. Gold's never going to see 2,000. The 3 amigos are still holding here. Where's Rahilador? We're going to have to draw another amigo. Okay, we're going to have to draw Rahilador, and hopefully Rahilador is a nice amigo or something. But guys, please be careful. It's going to be an exciting, but this is the most important week of our lives. It's the most important day of our lives. It's the most important week of our lives. God bless you. I'll see you soon.